Behind of me is our energy container. This is our 20 feet solar container. This is our 14 feet container. Now follow me to check out the details. As you can see, this is our battery combiner box. This your 14 feet container can hold around 2 megawatt-hours lithium battery, and also this container including the fire protection, air condition, and lighting. After production, our engineer team will testing all the system. After testing, our worker will washing the racks and clean all the details. With our solar container, it can power a hospital, factory, hotel, and community during day and night.